Where is it?
It's like website that like sells it.
But where? In Canada?
Yeah.
2 hours away?
No, they ship it to me.
How much?
Special is at 450.
Wow. What's going on, everybody? Evoke Squad. First stop, guys. We're replacing the front sprocket on a one. Bro, what is this? 110 or 125? 125 ATV. The front sprocket, the locking pin on the outside, for some reason it's weird. And why is it weird? That's literally what hold the sprocket onto the shaft. So we're upgrading from 14 teeth to a 15 teeth for a little bit more top end speed. No, you know what I'm gonna need? I'm gonna need the light. So guys, that's it. We just fit it perfect. So we're gonna just catch it to 10mm bolt inside with a little bit of extra strength, very Loctite. So guys, stick around, more still coming up.